In this video, we'll be covering how to look for and apply for jobs in Childcare Matters. The first thing you'll want to do is log in to Childcare Matters with your Woo email address. I'm going to use a test account that we have to show you how this process will work. So once you get logged in to Childcare Matters with your Woo email address, on the left side of the page, you will click on Jobs. You'll see first your assigned jobs, but to look for current openings, click on Open. In the Open Jobs tab, you'll only see jobs that you're qualified for, determined by your position type, languages you speak, travel distance, etc. And when you see a job that you might be interested in applying for, you can click on it to view more information. So we can see the date, the time, how far away it is from where our location is set. We can see the different requirements. It's an infant toddler classroom and requires Spanish language skills. Remember to only apply for a job if you're absolutely sure you'll be able to work that job. When you're ready and you've looked at your calendar and you're ready to go, you will click on Apply for this job. And a little message will come up saying that you'll receive a notification when the provider accepts your application and just confirming that you've applied for that job. Click OK. So if we go back to our dashboard, now if we look at the job, it says we've applied for it. If we click on it again, we can see that we can remove our application. So if things change before the program has actually reviewed your application, maybe you clicked on the wrong one and you realized right afterwards, and you're not actually able to work that job, you can remove your application. So we can do that here. And then it lets us know that our application has been removed from this job. However, once you've been approved by the provider to work the job, you will need to contact your supervisor instead to cancel that job. If we go back to our dashboard and look at when a program approves you to be their substitute, you'll be notified via email or text, depending on your notification settings that you set when you made your account. And that job will show up under here. So if the provider were to go in right now and approve you for the shift that we just applied for, it would then show up under here and you would be notified via email or text. And that is how you look for and apply for jobs in Childcare Matters. Thank you.